Today we are going to learn the fastest and most efficient way to find prime numbers. First, make a function named print prime numbers. Declare an bool array of n+1 numbers. Now iterate over through the values using two for loops. The first loop iterate through each numbers, and the second loop eliminates the multipliers of that numbers, which are not prime, and makes them false. Now makes all the values of the array to true, using memset function. Lastly, we have to print the prime ones using a for loop and checking the bool array's condition.